The numbers are out for the Houston real estate market in September. I'm gonna go over those numbers. And of course, if you get any value out of this video and these market reports, please click the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that the real estate market is hot nationwide, and Houston is no exception to that. September's numbers are gonna still tell that story, but there's some good trends in the numbers, and I'm gonna break those down for you. Homes sold, 9,226, representing only a 1.5% increase year over year, comparing it to September of 2021, comparing that to September of 2020, only a 1.5% increase. Probably a lot of seasonal adjustments in that number. Average sale price, $372,408. That is a 13.4% increase, so much bigger increase in sale price than actual homes sold. Average days on market, 29. Now, 29 is super fast. That definitely spells the low inventory market that, you know, where we're seeing in home price increases and everything we've been seeing in the market over the past 18 months. But that has been increasing very slowly, but it has been increasing, which is good. We definitely need to see it increase more. We're going to see that with more inventory. New listings, 11,025, representing only a 0.4% increase. It's not a lot of new listings. A lot of this is probably the seasonal adjustments, going back to school, those kind of things. Average list price, $379,927. That's a 12.1% increase. And then active listings, 15,491, representing a 17.2% decrease year over year. Now, that trend line has been moving in the right direction, because at one point we had like well over 50%, like 55% less inventory, less active listings than we did year over year. And then it dropped below the 50%, and then 30%. Now we're at 17.2% comparison year over year. So that's a really, really good number. And hopefully that will continue, especially as we push into spring of next year. We'll start seeing more sales, less aggressive growth in price, which is healthy, but more sales, more active listings, a little bit longer days on market, so we don't have the hyper competitiveness in the market. Rent prices. Now, as far as inventory, rental properties, it's kind of been the same story with homes for sale. Because like if you can't buy a house, you're going to renew your lease, or maybe you're going to sell your house and then move into a rental, which of course absorbs rental properties. That has driven up price. So for the average rent in Houston, it's a $2,115. That's a 9% increase. So for landlords out there, this has been very, very good. Whether you actually decided to sell your house in a really hot market and get top price, or you're holding it, getting that appreciation, and of course getting the rent bumps, posting cash flow. The overall summary and my thoughts of the market, I think as we push now, interest rates probably going to rise a little bit, at least over the next 12 to 18 months. That's what the Fed's going to do to try to stave off inflation. That is going to cause some buyers maybe to pull back on their buying decision, or the price point in which that they're going to be able to buy, because higher interest rates are, the more decreases affordability. But as more and more homes do get on the market, it's going to be a big help for buyers. Sellers will have a little bit more time to plan. I don't expect, especially in the near term, any decrease in prices. I haven't seen anything in fundamentals that would suggest any type of decrease in prices outside of maybe some hot little submarkets that just rapidly, increased in price over the last 18 months. What we'll probably see is a declining growth of price increases, which is healthy. I hope you got a lot out of this. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Click the like button. Of course, if you are looking to buy or sell a house, work with a real estate professional that'll be able to guide you in that transaction, both in home values and negotiation and contracts, and be able to get you the best deal, whether you're selling or buying. If you're in the Houston area and you need a referral to a top real estate agent, reach out to me. Happy to make that connection. And thanks for watching.